Hello everyone. This is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exam Bhopal, and we are presenting a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any update. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. INS Vikrant completes fourth phase of sea trials. The delivery is being targeted by the end of this month, followed by commissioning of the ship in August 2022 to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Finally, the Wimbledon tournament has won by the Croatia's none other than Novak Djokovic and Kazakhstan's Elina Rybakina. National Book Trust (NBT) has published the Corona Studies series titled Psychosocial Impact of Pandemic and Lockdown and How to Cope with. The series was prepared by a study group, which has also recommended strengthening of preventive mental health program as long-term strategy to prepare a post-COVID society. The Ministry of Civil Aviation, along with the DGCA, that stands for Directorate General of Civil Aviation, has launched a portal named Garun. That means Government Authorization for Relief Using Drones. It aims to provide fast-track exemption to government agencies for drone operation associated with COVID-19 pandemic. Niti Aayog's Atal Innovation Mission has partnered with NASSCOM to launch an artificial intelligence-based module for school students. The module is AI-based and it will be launched across the country. It contains a set of self-learning attractive material which can be easily understood by both rural and urban students. India has successfully tested a new version of surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile, BrahMos. The missile, with a number of indigenously developed subsystems, including a booster, was flight tested from the integrated test range at Balasore, Odisha. 11th July, that is celebrated as World Population Day every year across the world just to raise awareness about the rising population. The theme for this year was a world of 8 billion towards a resilient future for all, harnessing opportunities and ensuring rights and choice for each and everyone. The day was first marked on 11th July 1990 by more than 19 countries. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to organize Swanidhi Mahotsav from 9th of July to 31st July 2022 to celebrate a success of PM Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme. Let's understand what is there in the scheme. It is a microcredit facility scheme launched by the Prime Minister that provides working capital loan to street vendors to help them restart their business, which were adversely affected during the COVID-19 pandemic. The vendors can avail collateral-free loan up to rupees 10,000. The target beneficiary of these schemes are street vendors. Those are of urban areas as well as of rural area. The period of this scheme is extended to the December 2024 from earlier June 1st, 2020. ICAR and BFGR have discovered two new species of marine fish named Ariosoma albimaculata and Dasumeria modakandi near Tamil Nadu coast. Former Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe, that is also known as the longest serving Prime Minister of the Japan, has been shot dead by the former member of Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Center issues a guideline to state about the Vatsalya Child Protection Scheme. The government has said the state will have to comply with the guidelines as per the guideline by the central government. State cannot change the original name of the scheme just to avail the benefit granted by the central government. The Women and Child Ministry also stated it very clearly that the only a correct translation to a local language is permissible. Let's understand something about this scheme. Before 2010, there were 3 schemes for child in need of protection. Those were merged together in a one single scheme known as Integrated Child Protection Scheme. Later on in 2017, it was again renamed as Child Protection Services Scheme. As of now, in 2021 and 22, it is renamed as Vatsalya Mission. It is an umbrella mission for child protection services in the country that with the objective to serve happy and healthy childhood for each and every children across the country and to ensure the equal opportunity to each one of them. So this is it for today. Please join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination 2022 and 23. Book your success because seats are very limited. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to hit like button and subscribe our channel. Please comment your feedback and also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and the links are given in the description box. Thank you so much.